Hello. Hi. Good afternoon to all. Myself, Dr. Milan Haid. Today's topic is electrophilic aromatic substitution. You know, electrophile basically electron deficient species having positively charged. The characteristic reaction of benzene is electrophilic aromatic substitution. A hydrogen atom is replaced by electrophile. Benzene has a 6 electron delocalized in 6 pi orbital that overlap above and below the plane of the ring. These loosely held pi electron make the benzene ring electron rich, and so it reacts with electrophiles. Because benzene's 6 pi electron satisfy Huckel's rule, benzene is especially stable reaction that keep the aromatic ring intact are therefore favored. Here, this is the benzene. This hydrogen is easily substituted by the electrophile. This is E plus, that is electrophile substituted of H by E. After substitution, hydrogen is replaced by E. Substituted by E. This is the scheme of electrophilic substitution reaction. Benzene does not undergo addition reaction like other unsaturated hydrocarbon because addition would yield a product that is not aromatic. Substitution of a hydrogen keep the aromatic ring intact. There are 5 main examples of electrophilic aromatic substitution. Say if we consider addition reaction, hydrogen addition of halogen, that XX add, and this is not a aromatic compound, aromaticity is lost. In case of substitution reaction, when is substituted by electrophile, any electrophile, and the product is obtained, that product having aromatic character. Here, examples of electrophilic aromatic substitution. First one, halogenation. Second one, nitration. Third one, sulfonation. And fourth, Friedel-Crafts alkylation. And fifth, Friedel-Crafts acylation reaction. Friedel-Crafts alkylation acylation, named for Charles Friedel and James Kraft, who discovered the reaction in the 19th century, form a new carbon-carbon bond. Or in case of halogenation, basically electrophile are Cl plus or Br minus as per respective halogen. And in case of nitration, electrophiles are NO2 plus and sulfonation SO3 plus, and Friedel-Crafts reaction R plus, and in case of acylation RCO plus. All electrophilic aromatic substitution reactions occur by the same two-step mechanism. Addition of electrophile to form a resonance stabilized carbocation, followed by deprotonation with base as in the given mechanism. Here, look at this mechanism. First step, the addition of electrophile to form a carbocation. First step, here addition occurs through the pi bond, and electrophile is formed. Carbocation is formed. That carbocation is resonance stabilized. This resonance, 3 resonance stabilized structure. Addition of electrophile E plus forms a new carbon E bond using the 2 pi electrons from the benzene ring and generating a carbocation. This carbocation intermediate is not aromatic, but it is resonance stabilized. 3 resonance structure can be drawn. This is the step 1. This step is the rate determining step because the aromaticity of the benzene ring is lost. Step 2, loss of proton. When carbocation is formed, aromaticity is lost. To attain aromaticity, the base abstract proton very quickly and again it forms aromatic character after losing proton. In the step 2, base removes the proton from the carbon bearing the electrophile, thus reforming the aromatic ring. This step is fast because the aromaticity of the benzene ring is restored. The first step of electrophilic aromatic substitution forms a carbocation which has three resonance structure and can be drawn here. First resonance structure and then the first resonance structure is ortho to E and second resonance structure para to E and third resonance structure also ortho to E. So that positively charged, del positively charged are delocalized from this carbon to this carbon. 5 carbon atom, around 5 carbon atom is yet delocalized. This is the energy profile diagram for aromatic substitution reaction, electrophilic aromatic substitution reaction. Transition state 1, TS1 state is the activation energy, and transition state 2. And finally, this is the product, and this is the transition state. Reaction coordinate versus potential energy curve. In halogenation case, benzene react with chlorine, bromine in the presence of Lewis acid as catalyst, such as ferric chloride or ferric bromide, to give the aryl halide, chlorobenzene or bromobenzene respectively. Analogous reaction with iodine and fluorine are not synthetically useful because iodine is too much unreactive and fluorine is too much reactive. It reacts violently. Chlorination occurs. Benzene is treated with chlorine in presence of halogen carrier, that is ferric chloride. Lewis acid acts as catalyst. It forms chlorobenzene. In case of bromination, benzene react with bromine in presence of ferric bromide to form bromobenzene. Bromination of benzene occurs by the presence of Lewis acid, ferric bromide. First step, generation of electrophile. It forms FeBr4 minus and Br plus. First step, Lewis acid base reaction of bromine with ferric bromide forms a species with weakened and polarized Br-Br bond. This adduct serves as a source of Br plus in the next step. Formation of electrophile. Here bromonium ion is the electrophile in case of bromination. Second step, addition of electrophile to form a carbocation, and that carbocation is resonance stabilized. Third step, here three resonating structure occurs. Third step is the formation of aromatic ring again, loss of proton. Ferric FeBr4 minus take up proton and to form bromobenzene. FeBr3 as a catalyst, it regenerated again and it can also be used another reaction cycle. Nitration and sulfonation. Nitration and sulfonation introduce two different functional groups into the aromatic ring. Nitration is especially useful because the nitro group can be reduced to an NH2 group. Nitration basically nitrating agent mix acid, that is nitric acid or sulfuric acid, mixture of nitric acid and sulfuric acid, mixed acid. It forms nitrobenzene. When this nitrobenzene is reduced to form aniline. Sulfonation, in case of sulfonation, sulfonating engine, fuming sulfur trioxide in sulfuric acid, fuming sulfur trioxide, that is also we can use oleum. It forms benzene sulfonic acid. Here first step is generation of electrophile in nitration requires strong acid. Formation of first step, the formation of electrophile. Here in case of nitration, nitronium ion formation occurs for nitration. Nitric acid plus sulfuric acid H2O plus NO2. Here NO2 is electrophile and HSO4 minus also is formed. Generation of electrophile in the sulfonation requires strong acid. Formation of electrophile for SO3 H plus for sulfonation, it forms SO3 plus H2SO4. It forms HSO3 plus SO3H plus HSO4 minus. SO3H plus is an electrophile. Next case, Friedel-Crafts alkylation or Friedel-Crafts acylation reaction. In Friedel-Crafts alkylation, treatment of benzene with an alkyl halide and Lewis acid AlCl3 forms an alkyl benzene. Benzene treated with RCl AlCl3, it forms alkyl benzene. Here new CC bond formation occurs. When benzene is treated with CH3Cl2Cl ethyl chloride, in presence of AlCl3, it forms ethyl benzene. When benzene is treated with CH3CCl, in presence of AlCl3, it forms substituted benzene, that is CH3 pH. Friedel-Crafts alkylation and Friedel-Crafts acylation reaction. In Friedel-Crafts acylation, benzene ring is treated with an acid chloride RCOCl and AlCl3 to form a ketone. Because the new group bonded to the benzene ring is called an acyl group. The transfer of an acyl group from one atom to another atom is an acylation. When benzene is treated with acid chloride RCOCl in presence of AlCl3, it forms ketone PHCOR. This is acyl group, COR group. When benzene is treated with acetyl chloride in presence of AlCl3, it gives acetophenone PHCOCH3. Here new CC bond formation occurs. Formation of electrophile in Friedel-Crafts alkylation, there are two possibilities. For CH3Cl and 1 degree alkyl halide, CH3CH2Cl plus AlCl3, here this act as Lewis base and this will act as Lewis acid. This is the first step of this reaction, and here this is the electrophile. Lewis acid base complex formation occurs. After that, when for 2 degree and 3rd degree alkyl halide, CH3CCl, that is 3rd degree Lewis base with Lewis acid AlCl3, it forms CH3CCl AlCl3 complex. It finally forms a carbocation CH3C plus 3rd degree carbocation. For Acetyl for CH3Cl, methyl chloride and 1 degree alkyl halide, Lewis acid weight complex itself serves as a electrophile for the electrophilic aromatic substitution with secondary and tertiary alkyl halide. The Lewis acid weight complex react further to give secondary and tertiary carbocation, which serves as electrophile. Carbocation formation occurs only with secondary and tertiary alkyl chloride because they affords more stable carbocation. Field cupped acylation using a third degree carbocation. Benzene, the mechanism is like that. Benzene CCH3 whole 3 C plus pi electron cloud attack on carbocation. It forms through pi complex and then sigma complex. It forms a carbocation that is delocalized carbocation, two more resonating structure. Then AlCl4 minus, Cl minus take up proton to attain aromaticity again. Finally, it forms the product, desired product. Addition of the electrophile, a third degree carbocation forms a new carbon-carbon bond in step 1. AlCl4 minus removes proton on the carbon bearing the new substituent, thus reforming the aromatic ring in this step. Above step. Field cupped alkylation and field cupped acylation. In field cupped alkylation, the Lewis acid AlCl3 ionizes the carbon halogen bond of the acid chloride, thus forming a positively charged carbon electrophile called acylium ion, which is resonance stabilized. The positively charged carbon atom of a acylium ion then goes on to react with benzene in the two-step mechanism of a electrophilic aromatic substitution. Formation of electrophile in field cupped acylation. Here RCOCl, that lone pair on Cl attack on AlCl3 and finally form a complex. After breaking of CCl bond, it forms RCO plus, that is resonance stabilized acylium ion, that is the electrophile, and AlCl4 minus. Field cupped acylation, there are additional fact about the field cupped alkylation should be kept in mind. Vinyl halide and aryl halide do not react field cupped alkylation reactions. This is vinyl halide and aryl halide. Vinyl halide and aryl halide do not react in field cupped reaction. Unreactive halides in field cupped reaction, they are unreactive. Another cases, rearrangement can also occur. If we take 2 degree halide, and here the possibility of rearrangement, and for 1 degree halide CH3 CH2 CH2Cl in presence of AlCl3, there the possibility of rearrangement. This result can be explained by the carbocation rearrangement. First step of that reaction, carbocation formation, generation of carbocation. In that carbocation formation process, there is a possibility of rearrangement. Other functional group that forms carbocation can also be used as a starting materials. Protonation of alkene forms a carbocation which can then serve act as an electrophile in field cup alkylation. Protonation of alcohol followed by loss of water likewise forms a carbocation. In alkene, this alkene is treated with sulfuric acid. It forms a 2-degree carbocation like that. And in alcohol also forms after elimination of water molecule, it forms tertiary carbocation. Each carbocation can then go on to react with benzene to form a product of electrophilic aromatic substitution. For example, in this case, CH3COH, tertiary alcohol and sulfuric acid, their formation of carbocation, and then final product is substituted T-butyl substituted carbocation. Starting material that contain both a benzene ring and an electrophile are capable of intramolecular field cup reaction. And this is very important reaction, an intramolecular field cup reaction. Here, in that reaction, acyl ion formation occurs, then intermolecularly cyclized to form a alpha tetralone. Another intramolecular field cup reaction like that in the synthesis of LSD. This is a very important reaction. Here, acyl ion formation occurs and then bond CC bond formation. So this bond occurs. Finally, cyclized to form this compound. Here, new CC bond formation occurs after several steps. LSD is formed. Many substituted benzene ring undergo electrophilic aromatic substitution reaction. Each substituent either increase or decrease the electron density in the benzene ring, and this affect the course of electrophilic aromatic substitution. Donation of electron density to the ring make benzene more electron rich. Electron withdrawal or electron density from the ring makes benzene less electron rich atom, more electronegative than carbon, including nitrogen, oxygen, halogen, pull electron pair electron density away from the carbon atom and thus exhibit an electron withdrawing inductive effect. Polarizable alkyl group donate electron density and thus exhibit an electron donating inductive effect. Here, look at this example. In this example, consider the inductive effect only. Here, aniline and toluene. Consider the inductive effect only. The NH2 group withdraw electron density and CH2 group donate electron density. That electron withdrawing effect, electron withdrawing inductive effect by NH2 group and electron donating inductive effect by CH3 group. Nitrogen is more electronegative than carbon and nitrogen inductively withdraws electron density. Alkyl group are polarizable, making them electron donating group. Resonance effects are also observed when substituent containing lone pair or pi bond. A resonance effect is electron donating when resonance structure placed in a negatively charged on the carbon atom of benzene ring. A resonance effect is electron withdrawing when the resonance structure placed in a positively charged on carbon of benzene ring. An electron donating resonating effect is observed when an atom Z having lone pair of electron is directly bonded to the benzene ring. Here Z is NH2 group. aniline NH2 group. NH2 group contains nitrogen lone pair electron and it can donate the lone pair to the benzene ring like that way as shown in the diagram. And resonance occurs. There are several resonating steps. Resonating structure occurs. In that step, nitrogen, after donating of lone pair, nitrogen get positively charged and here negatively charged, and then again it forms a mesomeric shift, and then it forms negative charge is shifted to here, and finally here we get another corresponding resonating form. Three resonance structure place a negative charge on atom in this ring. An electron withdrawing resonance effect is observed in substituted benzene having the general structure C6H5Y equal to Z, where Z is more electronegative than Y. 7 resonating structure can be drawn for benzaldehyde because 3 of them place a positive charge on a carbon atom of the benzene ring. The CHO group withdraws electron from the benzene ring by resonating effect. Here, look at the structure. Benzaldehyde, carbon in between carbon oxygen, oxygen is more electronegative. So covalently bonded electron pair, covalent bonded pair would be shifted towards oxygen atom. Oxygen get negatively charged and carbon get positively charged, and then the pi bond from the aromatic ring shifted towards the carbon atom and get double bonded here and here positively charged. Then positively charged moves like that from this carbon to this carbon. So finally we get another corresponding resonating structure. A 3 resonating structure place a positive charge on the atom in the ring. Alkyne benzene are more electron rich than benzene. To predict whether a substituted benzene is more or less electron rich than benzene, we must consider net balance of both the inductive and resonating effect. For example, alkyl group donate electron by an inductive effect, but they have no resonance effect because they lack non-bonded electron pair or pi bond. Thus, any alkyl substituted benzene is more electron rich than benzene itself. Look at this diagram. Here are electron rich that can donate to aromatic ring. R donate electron by inductive effect and R has no resonance effect. Electron donating group like NH2OH having lone pair, electron donating resonance effect predominates. Electron withdrawing group, halogen group, ClBr, the electron withdrawing inductive effect predominates. The inductive effect and resonance effect in a compound having the general structure C6H5Y equal to Z. Z is more electronegative than Y, are both electron withdrawing. With a aldehyde group, the inductive effect and resonance effect reinforce. The benzaldehyde, the polar CO bond withdraw the electron density from the ring inductively. Here, carbon acquires del positive charge, oxygen acquires del negative charge, and bond polarization towards this side. And here, and bond polarization occurs in that way. So finally we have already discussed five more resonating structure would be occurred. Resonance removes the electron density. This compound represent example of general structural features in electron donating and electron withdrawing substituent. Here R equal to alkyl and R equal to alkyl group, that is electron donating group, nitro group, Z equal to N nitrogen or oxygen. A common electron donating group, alkyl group with nitrogen and oxygen atom bonded to benzene ring. Nitrogen and oxygen must have a lone pair. Electron withdrawing group, here X equal to halogen, or Y del positive or del negative. The common electron withdrawing groups halogen groups with atom Y bearing a positive charge del positive bonded to the benzene ring. Electrophilic aromatic substitution is a general reaction of all aromatic compound including polycyclic aromatic hydrocarbon, heterocyclic and substituted benzene derivative. A substituent affects two aspects of the electrophilic aromatic substitution reaction. First one, the rate of the reaction. A substituted benzene ring react faster or slower than benzene itself. The orientation, second case, the orientation, the new group is located either ortho, meta or para to the existing substituent. The identity of the first substituent determines the position of the second incoming substituents. Consider toluene. Toluene reacts with faster than benzene in all substitution reaction. The electron donating CH3 group activates the benzene ring to the electrophilic attack. Ortho and para product predominates. CH3 group is called ortho or para director. If a toluene is react with bromine in presence of halogen carrier FeBr3, it forms either ortho or para product. Meta product is very less. Ortho product around 40% and para product 60%. Para product is more predominant due to steric region. Consider nitrobenzene, it reacts with more slowly than benzene in all substitution reaction. The electron withdrawing NO2 group deactivate the benzene ring to electrophilic attack. The meta product is predominant. The NO2 group is called meta director group. When nitrobenzene is treated with mixed acid, it forms ortho NO2, meta NO2 and para NO2. Ortho and para, that amount is very less and meta is more predominant, about 93% due to electron withdrawing effect of NO2 group. That electron withdrawing effect of NO2 group deactivates the aromatic nucleus. All substituents can be divided into three general types: ortho, para, director or activators, substituent that activate the benzene ring, and direct substitution of ortho and para group. Ortho para directing group, that is increasing activation from bottom to top. R, NH, COR, OR, OH, NH2, NHR, NR2. General structure is R or Z. Meta director group, substituent that direct the meta position, that is meta director group. All meta director group deactivate the ring, top to bottom. CHO increasing order top to bottom. CHO, COR, COOR, CO2H, CN, SO3H, NO2, NR3 plus. Orthopara deactivator, substituent that deactivate a benzene ring and direct substitution ortho and para position, that is fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine. All ortho-para director are R group or have a non-bonded electron pair on the atom bonded to benzene ring. All meta director have full or partial positive charge on the atom bonded to the benzene ring. So, the basic features of electrophilic aromatic substitution, basically first step, formation of electrophile, a generation of electrophile. Second, addition of electrophile by aromatic nucleus to form a resonance stabilized carbocation. Third step, attack by the negatively charged species that form during the generation of electrophile on the proton to form aromatic nucleus again. Here in this process, the Hammond postulate makes it possible to predict the relative rate of the reaction by looking at the stability of the carbocation intermediate. The more stable carbocation, the lower in energy in the transition state that forms it and the faster the reaction. If the carbocation is more stable, then the reaction would be faster. The principle of inductive effect and resonance effect can be useful to predict the carbocation stability. Electron donating group stabilizes the carbocation, making the reaction faster. Electron withdrawing group destabilizes the carbocation, making the reaction slower. Here two type of group. Left hand side, electron donating group. That electron donating group more stable, substitution is faster, and the ring is activated. Electron withdrawing group, W is electron withdrawing group, less stable carbocation, substitution is slower, the ring is deactivated. In other words, electron donating group activate benzene ring and electron withdrawing group deactivate benzene ring towards electrophilic attack. All activators are either R group or they may have nitrogen or oxygen atom with lone pair directly bonded to the benzene ring. Here, activating and electron withdrawing group NH2, NHR, NR2, OH, OR, NHCOR are. All deactivators are either halogen or they have an atom with a partial or full positive charge bonded directly to the benzene ring. These are the electron withdrawing group. Here X is halogen deactivating and electron withdrawing group like fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine, CHO, COR, CO2R, CO2H, CN, SO3H, NO2, NR3. There are two general types of ortho para director and one general types of meta director. All ortho para directors are R group have a non-bonded electron pair on the atom bonded to the benzene ring. All meta director have a full or partial positive charge on the atom bonded to the benzene ring. Orthopara director and meta director. To evaluate the effect of these given substituent, we can use the following stepwise procedure. to determine the directing effect of a particular substituent. Draw all step 1, draw all resonance structure for the carbocation formed from the attack of an electrophile E plus and at the ortho, meta and para position of a substituted benzene ring. This is ortho, meta and para position. There are at least 3 resonating structure for each side of reaction. Each resonating structure places a positive charge on ortho or para to the new carbon electrophile bond. Second step, evaluate the stability of the intermediate resonance structure. The electrophile attack at those positions that give most stable carbocation. A CH3 group directs the electrophile to the ortho-para to itself because electron donation effect stabilizes the carbocation intermediate. They are ortho attacked and it stabilizes the carbocation and preferred product is ortho product. When meta, in case of meta, in that case stabilization is not significant. In case of para position, that CH3 stabilizes the positive charge and preferred product also para. When NH2 group is present in the benzene ring, NH2 group direct the electrophilic attack ortho and para to itself because the carbocation intermediate has additional resonance structure or resonance stabilization in ortho position and para position also. When NH2 group is present in the benzene ring, meta attack occurs because attack at ortho and para position gives a destabilization of carbocation. Here, in ortho attack, that destabilization of carbocation, in para position also destabilization of carbocation occurs. The reactivity and directing of common substituent benzenes, increasing activation and decreasing activation. All ortho para directors except the halogen activate the benzene ring. All meta directors deactivate the benzene ring. The halogen deactivate the benzene ring.